And this morning, a Pew Research poll shows Kansas is one of the nation's lowest performing states for election efficiencies. Sarah Hollenbeck joins us live now to explain what voters need to know for the day. Good morning to you, Sarah.
Hey, good morning. This is one of the polling places in Missouri for today, but across the state line in Kansas, this latest research shows that fewer people are showing up to the polls, and those that are voting with provisional ballots are often not being counted because those are not being turned in the correct way or rejected by the system. So the data also revealed that many Kansans has decided not to vote altogether because of registration and absentee ballot problems in the state. Kansas implemented online voter registration in 2009, which this study applauded. However, the data shows very many technical errors with that program. Now, the one good thing the study pointed out in the state of Kansas, the average wait time to vote is just 11 minutes. That's less than the national average, though it could be because so fewer people are showing up to the polls. Now, in Missouri, those numbers looked a lot better. Missouri actually ranked third as being the top state for elections, that being a lot of people registered to vote and a lot of people showing up to vote versus other states in the country. Reporting live here in Kansas City, I'm Sarah Hollenbeck for 2 in Action News.